So we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video today. So we're actually going to unbox the Centurion Magnetics 550 series. We've done this previously, but we're going to do it again. And we're actually going to be doing a little how-to video with this as well, on how to actually apply the Threadlocker that comes with this. But a huge shout out and huge thank you to Centurion Magnetics for sponsoring this video. Y'all are doing some amazing stuff over there. If you have not checked out their product, definitely go check it out. They have a very awesome kit. We'll have the link in our description below. But let's go ahead and jump in here and open this kit up. Alright. Woo! So they have a really pretty box. So here's the Centurion kit here. They got their awesome logo there. Take this out. This has actually a description of kind of a little bit about their company and everything, so definitely take a read there. Remove the phone.
Got some, you can scan a code for exclusive content. It's a secret though, this is mine. Got some stickers that came with the kit, so you know, you can rep Centurion Magnetics with some stickers. And then here we have the products. I'll take these gloves out. It comes with gloves, so that's really important when you're going magnet fishing. It comes with a free pair of gloves. As you see here, you got the rope, and something really cool that comes with this kit is a rope organizer. So we'll show you guys how to, put this together later. But basically, you just have this weight that you hang on to. You attach your rope to it, and it's just super easy to transport and carry around.
And this is actually very unique to the Centurion kit. A lot of kits actually you go out there and look at, if you go on Amazon or something and start searching for kits, you're not going to find that rope organizer in those kits. So it's something actually very unique with this kit, and it's really awesome to have actually.
And then, we got the important stuff here. We have the actual magnet that comes with the kit. It's not right wrapped up here in a nice little baggie. But look at that beauty.
Oh yeah.
550, I believe.
550 pull.
550, it's a really nice magnet. Definitely something that we use all the time in our videos.
Another thing this kit comes with is actually a little scraper, which is actually a really nice feature. So as you pull in stuff with your magnet, you'll get a bunch of debris and stuff on it, and you can use the scraper to like scrape the bottom of the magnet and get all that debris off. So that's a really
throw it away.
So that's a really cool addition to the kit.
And then something very important that comes with the kit, some Threadlocker that Centurion Magnetics gives you in the kit. It's perfect for keeping your magnet on there tight, making sure you don't lose it whenever you're trying to pull stuff in. We're going to show you guys how to apply this here in a little bit, but very important and very great that it comes in the kit. And then lastly, we got some electrical tape. This is good for using on your rope to make sure that your knots don't come loose. Also, again, so you don't lose your magnet. Great stuff. The magnet, or the kit, has like the full package, basically everything you need for going out and magnet fishing. So yeah, like Travis said, we highly recommend this product. It's a great company. They have great stuff, great quality stuff, and we're going to show you guys how to use some of it.
Before you take this awesome looking magnet out to play, you really need to apply some Threadlocker to it. And we get a lot of questions, or we see a lot of questions in our Facebook groups and everything about, how exactly do you apply the Threadlocker? Well, we're going to show you how to do that.
Here are the instructions. You can't read that.
So, what we're going to do, we got the magnet apart. Here's the magnet itself. Here is the bolt that goes through that. These set on there, and then this screws down on top of that, of course. So, go ahead and take this off. So when you take the lid off the Threadlocker, you're gonna need to cut the tip a little bit. Let's go ahead and do that.
Took my eye out.
So we got that. So the easy way to do this is, alright guys, so I put the screw back into the magnet. We're going to put a bead of Threadlocker across here. We're going to flip it over. And we're going to do a little bead right here. Cool. We got that on there. Let's go ahead and throw the washer and locking washer back on. And then you're going to take this and you're just going to screw it down in there. And basically what happens is as you screw this onto the threads, it's going to move that thread locker evenly through the threads. Alright guys, so once you got this kind of screwed in, it's good to take a screwdriver here. It's a little difficult with the magnetic pull, but take that screwdriver and tighten up that screw there. So once you got that tightened up, you're good. Your thread locker's been applied. So what you'll need to do at that point is let that set for at least 24 hours before you actually take it out and use it. If you take it out before then and you put it in water, that stuff, the thread locker can get washed off and is not going to be as effective as it should be. So definitely wait at least 24 hours before throwing this in the water, or it's not going to be effective. Alright guys, so that was a little bit about applying the thread locker to your magnet. I definitely recommend do not skip this step, because if you don't apply it, there is a very increased chance that you can lose your magnet, and you definitely don't want to lose your magnet. And I will say, regardless if you got this thread locker on or not, I would check this about every, I would say, 3 to 4 throws. So about every 3 to 4 throws, pull this in, just, you know, pull that, make sure it's tight and make sure it's good to go. Because, I mean, there is an off chance it could still come loose, and you don't want to lose your magnet, of course. So, but that was a little bit about applying the thread locker. I hope you all enjoyed this little how-to video that we did. And again, a huge thank you to Centurion Magnetics for sponsoring this video. Make sure, you know, drop some thumbs up on this video, guys, and, you know, drop some comments down below. If you had some ideas for new how-to videos, or if there's stuff you want to know about the magnets and everything, I'd be happy to do it. But of course, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of our stuff. And until next time, guys, keep it real.